What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Girls and guys. Your girl is at home by herself, okay? The husband and the kid is gone. And we say, alone time. I could do my introduction. Oh my God, I didn't even do my introduction. I didn't even, tell you guys. Not just playing, but nah, guys. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is patriciamarbray, and I am back with another vlog. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so then every time I drop a new video, y'all get notified. And also, if you've been here, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, tell a friend, tell anybody, tell everybody, so they could become a Mar babe today and they could join our family. Okay? Yeah. I body that. Body that. Because it be taking me 16 tries. Just to say that. Yeah, it's the vlog life. Your girl is about to go make her some breakfast, and y'all already know what I'm gonna make. Y'all already know what I'm gonna make. Sausage. And what else? Omelet. And what else? Put a little fruit on the side with a little avocado, and I might make me a little what's that thing called, a mimosa, because your girl feeling good. Okay, your girl feeling nice.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it won't just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me that. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Yeah, maybe we just go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
So we going off to the snow in Berkeley. We about to be on our way right now, so let's get up out of here. On our way to go see, well, hopefully they got snow. We don't really actually know. I know that it had snow there, but hopefully it's not all melted. Oh Jesus. So then baby boy could go see the snow. He really wants to go see. Ooh, it's hecka dark, y'all.
Yeah, you see, a little melt, Mom.
Huh?
A little melt.
It's a little. So yes, hopefully they got some snow so we can go see it. He could at least experience, like, touch it. It'll be good to, you know, see something different, especially in the Bay Area. Like, we don't get this in the Bay Area at all. Like, at all, okay? I think it snowed maybe a couple of times, maybe twice, maybe 2 times. And I think it was like in Frisco or something like that. I don't know, but it was like a long time ago. It was like, when I say long time ago, meaning I don't even think my mom was born when it snowed out here, if I'm not mistaken. She could have been, but I don't know.
Show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house. Baby, you can get like any ring, anything. Then I can knock it down all through the night, all through the day, yeah. I knock that pussy out. Baby, you call the Sugar Ray. I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Do it. No limit, baby. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me.
Well, guys, that was a fail. We waited too late. Where we at, where the snow was at, it all melted. So we didn't get to see the snow. Son, what you doing? You trying to look? Huh? Come here. Demario, you hear me talking to you. What's wrong? You sad? Oh, come here. He really was excited to see the snow. That's my fault. Yeah.
Can we go back home?
Yeah, we can go back home.
I want to have a little fun.
Okay. You can go back home and have some fun. Go have fun at home. Alright. Yeah, guys, so that's a fail. Now we're about to go back home.
6 hours later.
Okay, guys, so it is hours later. Me and the son about to, well, we just pulled up to the little burrito place that I'll be going to. So we can get burritos tonight. My husband wants burritos, so that's what we about to go do. You want a burrito too, son? Mm-hmm. Okay, yes. So we're about to go get us a burrito. Let's go. So yes, let's go get us some burritos. All right. Can I get steak burrito? Extra steak, regular, refried beans, pico de gallo, and cilantro. And that's it. I said extra steak, right? Okay. And can I get it? Well, let me get another burrito like that. Yeah. Except for the pico de gallo. Cilantro onions though. Yeah, cilantro onions, no pico. And oh damn, I forgot he gotta get one, huh? And then I just take another steak burrito, regular. No pico de gallo, just steak and cheese, I think, and a little sour cream. Yeah, it's a sour cream and refried beans. Yeah. Yes, rice and all of them. Yes. See.
Yes, I got one.
Grab your thing. So we about to go to grocery outlet.
And then put a water table and eat a table.
Okay. So we're about to go to grocery outlet to go pick up a few things. He do got school tomorrow, so I do need some bread. And whatever else that I see in there that we need. Come on. Excuse us.
Bear. A bear?
March 10th.
Football. Football.
Mario, stop your for that. I'm a vlogger.
Apple. You. Go on with him. Daddy. You. Go get it. Oh.
You like your burrito? Mm-hmm. It's tasty? Yeah. What's up, y'all? So I'm back in the house. About to slam these burritos. Everybody is happy. Son is happy. Husband is happy. We all happy. Because this burritos is smacking. That burrito place is my favorite burrito place. It's like my #1. I don't go to no other burrito place, like, at all. The only time I go to a burrito place, another one, if I'm like with somebody else and they want to go to like a restaurant or something like that or whatever. But other than that, I be telling my friends and stuff like, hey, if you want a burrito, I could take you to my best burrito spot. Like when I say that the burritos is smacking, I mean smacking. Is it located in Hayward or San Leandro? Yes, it's located on San Leandro and Hesperian. Yeah, San Leandro on Hesperian Boulevard is right across the street from Walmart. I don't really know the address, but if I find a little, you know, if I find the link below, because I believe they do have like a little website. So I definitely put it down below. But when I tell you guys that this burritos is smacking, I mean they smacking. Like all gone. Like where did it go? Like magic. 1 minute is there, next minute is gone. Like off top. Best burrito place ever. Ever. So you know when you get a burrito, you gotta have your jalapenos and carrots. And then you gotta have your radishes and limes. You know, you gotta have, yeah. Gotta have your salsa. You know, you can't go wrong with the salsa. You gotta have your salsas, okay? Like this is the red little mild salsa because my husband, he don't like the hot salsa. So we get the mild. When I be buying my own burritos and I get the hot. But yes, and then it comes with chips. And then it comes with your burrito, okay? Your chips and your burrito. This is just a steak burrito. Sometimes I get steak and shrimp, but I just wanted the steak today. Yes. So this is what it's looking like. Ooh. I used to get a lot of stuff in my burrito. Like I used to get like cheese, sour cream. I don't get cheese and sour cream no more. Now that I'm getting older, I like to taste my food. Like I want to taste everything, and I feel like that sour cream and cheese kind of takes away from like the seasoning on the meat, the, you know, the refried beans, the rice, just the whole burrito in general. So now I just get a regular burrito. If I have some leftover burrito the next day, then that's when I probably put like a little bit of sour cream on the side and then I eat it. But other than that, This burrito is just nothing on there. And this is what it looks like. Y'all see that? When I say, if you're smacking that first bite, baby, just pop a carrot in there. I eat a little rash. And that's how I eat my burritos. I already taking a couple of bites first, and then I squeeze my lemon on there. So you know you gotta squeeze your lemon on there. Squeeze your lemon. Like that. Oh, oh damn. I didn't drop the damn lemon. I mean lime. Excuse me. Ugh. I meant lime. You wanna squeeze your lime on there. Alright y'all, so that is it. That is a wrap. We is done for the day. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. If you have not done it already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Hit that notification bell so y'all can get notified every time I drop a new video, a new vlog, a new whatever. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Because your girl about to eat this burrito.